Hello, everybody. Hi to all. Have a nice time, everybody, and have a nice watching on my channel. Why? Why not? Uh, I found what to pick to open. I have, but I found locks no, with, and I see very many lock pickers have videos with no locks like this, no, like all this, and I make two. This 1, 2, 3 Abus. I don't remember how. I know this brand. Need to write that. This is Promax, but this I know. I don't remember. TC, TSA and Totoloto. Don't remember. Okay, and this is Abus, and this is I don't know what this is. Now these numbers on the locks. This was numbers, and no, that's all. We have here number, just very little. This not have. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I start from this and opening way of this different from not different, but look now. I open more good from I speak English. I sure. I don't remember really number because I open. I not watch no what number I close and no, and I need to open for change. For sure I change but I need to open him. So we try to make this together now. What different I see for these locks and this lock? This lock have first you need to make situation disk no go not easy hard. If you have this, so everything good. And 7 just a moment, I want to make something. This is not open. Nice. No, I make from this Abus. I don't know why Abus, but from this lock tension for this for me comfortable. How to say this? Focus. Okay. Numbers we see. Okay. Tension. Oops. Come on. First. Now you move one nothing, one click, one nothing, one click, one nothing, one click. But when you have click, I don't know how to say this, but I feel what different click from all what make click. No, I open him and. Sometimes this take time. No, sometime not. From 3 minutes to half hour. Really? 2, okay. 6. not think. Eight, but so maybe 6 was. Six, 2, 5. If this right, we open him now. But we very no, now open, if I not mistake. Now this will 8, 9, 0, 3 maybe. Zero, okay. 5, 8. What was 6? 1, good. Nice. 9. 5, 1, 8, 9. How many times? 7 minutes altogether, and I talk maybe 3, 4 minutes. So, but this was quickly, and we no try to change. I not watch. I close, and we open him once again. So I need to make this is enter. So I close and I move. Okay. Now I close and I move. I not see. I not watch. Now where I once again. Five, maybe. I think. Up, good. Don't know, but 2, okay. 5 early, you see 5 make click, 7 make click, 9, but this is not 9, I think. 0 maybe. 5, no. 7, 0, 5, 8. Eight. Okay. Just a moment. First, second, 2, 5, 5. Strange. Zero now. 2, 5. Zero, 2. Okay. 7. I need to change all. I think so. Sometime no. I can't to say how I make this. Really, I don't understand. Zero, good moving of 2, 5, 7, 0. Can to be 5, 3. Nice. This is 0058. 11 minutes. Okay, why not? This was quickly. Yes, I see. I know. And about locks like this, I no nothing. Here, this is open, so no. This is closed. This is not this number. 480 480 80. No, not open. And where is my tensioner? I think was right. No, maybe. No, not maybe. Nice. Okay. Nice. That's all. No, not interesting. And all this together one opening. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.